Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly. Some of the themes are already posted on my channel. All you have to do is to go to my channel, click playlist. It's called Csec Visual Arts Themes. And once you click playlist, you're going to click all and you're going to see the different types of videos that I made.
Artwork Fly.
Finding your theme. What does this mean? To create a meaningful art, an artist needs to find a theme or topic with which they have a strong personal link. Your theme can be broad and cover a wide range of subject matter such as nature, man-made, fashion, beauty, etc. But it needs to be personally linked to you, the artist. Think about what interests you, what fascinates you, what you are passionate about. How to find a theme. The first thing I suggest is really to think about who you are and what events have occurred that have greatly impacted your life. It is important for you to show an awareness of art in context on a personal, local, and global level. Once you begin to consider these things, then you can find some ideas that can be investigated through time and culture. For example, if you're a Catholic, you go through a process that leads to taking your first communion. What's that all about? Where did it come from? How has it changed through history? How is it different in different cultures? How has the idea been represented through time? Allow your ideas to evolve. It's not necessary to stay on a strict theme. It is important to show connections between ideas. To create meaningful works of art, artists focus on a theme or topic that they have a strong personal link. This fits in with the relevance in which you create work that is meaningful and relevant to you. So this idea of theme is not a rigid one but should flow from one into the next so that your work connects. Your studio pieces should not be completely different ideas and therefore your work is disconnected. Some examples that you can choose from but are strongly encouraged to develop your own are metamorphosis, which involves life cycle change, alteration, transfiguration, and mutation. Music, which involves sound, making tones visible. Music culture, what do music and art have in common? Dance, which involves movement, rhythm, repetition, physicality, meaning in gesture, and it goes on. So some of these themes I'm going to randomly select are ruins, castles, antique cars, reveal, posters, patterns, muscles, costumes, wildlife, entwined, seashells, connection, scale play, origin, melted, technology, musician, junkyard, objects, clothes, quilted images, hybrids, maps, puzzle pieces, self-portraits, etc.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.